In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto refresh on x.com, also known as Twitter, using a simple browser-based workaround. Now, if you've been frustrated by the feed constantly reloading, jumping around, or refreshing when you least expect it, you're not alone. X does not currently offer a native disable auto refresh toggle on PC browsers, but there is still a practical way to reduce background refresh behavior through your site settings. This is especially useful if you want a more stable browsing experience, less interruption while reading posts, and better control over how X runs in your browser. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your preferred desktop browser and go to x.com. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the site, look for your browser's site information or permissions area. On most browsers, you can do this by clicking the lock icon next to the address bar. This opens the site settings for x.com. In this section, you want to look for permissions related to background activity, background sync, or background data. Depending on your browser, the wording may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. Reduce the site's ability to keep refreshing or updating in the background. If you see an option for background sync, set it to block or disable it. If your browser gives you a choice for notifications, automatic updates, or background permissions, review those carefully and turn off anything that could contribute to unwanted refresh behavior. After that, go back to the page and test x.com for a moment. Scroll through your feed, open a post, and see whether the page is behaving more steadily. Keep in mind that X may still refresh in certain situations because this is not a built-in feature that can be fully turned off with a single toggle. But blocking background sync can help reduce interruptions and make the experience feel much more controlled. If you want even better results, you can also check your browser settings for site permissions, cookies, and performance-related options. Some browsers allow you to limit background activity more broadly, which can help prevent X from updating in ways you don't want. Just remember to be careful when changing browser settings and only disable the permissions you actually need to change. So to recap, x.com does not have a native auto refresh disable option on PC, but you can go into site settings and block background sync to help reduce refresh behavior. This is the quickest workaround if you want a calmer, more stable browsing session on X. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more x.com tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.